dog Minky is one of the best friends I've ever had.
He has his own personality. He enjoys snacks and his little comforts, but he's surprisingly reserved and calm for a Chihuahua. As someone living with chronic illness, he comforts me when I'm struggling, motivates me to step outside for walks, and most importantly, he helps me to stay present. When my mind drifts into rumination, he pulls me back into the now. He doesn't worry about the future or spend time thinking about the past. To him, this moment is enough. The spiritual teacher Eckhart Tolle writes about this in Guardians of Being. He calls animals guardians of being because of their ability to live fully in the present. He says, "Be alert as you watch a dog at play or at rest. Let the animal teach you to feel at home in the now. While your happy moments may be rare, your dog celebrates life continuously." He also says, because dogs and cats still live in the original state of connectedness with being, they can help us regain it. They have become guardians of being. For me, Minky isn't just my pet. He's a calming presence, a reminder to stay grounded, and a true friend.